This is a JobCost.com video tutorial on how to enter or edit an accounts receivable invoice. In the main cabinet, go to Accounts Receivable, click on AR Invoice List. To create an AR invoice, select the blue Add button. To edit an existing AR invoice, click on the invoice number from the AR Invoice list. Notice the multicolored buttons along the top. Blue Add is to create a new AR invoice. Purple Copy is to copy an existing AR invoice's information to a new AR invoice. Green Save is to save the information just entered. Green Save and Add is to save the new information just entered, close the current AR invoice tab, and open a new AR invoice tab. Yellow Undo lets you undo any recently entered information or changes prior to saving. Orange Delete deletes the AR invoice record you are on. Teal Print is to print the current AR invoice. Blue Email allows you to email the current AR invoice directly from the software. Blue Customize Form allows administrator to relabel any field on the screen. Red Save and Close saves all information entered and closes the current AR invoice tab. Red Close closes the current AR invoice tab. When entering or editing the AR invoice information, be sure to fill out anything with the red asterisk or the AR invoice will not save. All other fields can be utilized on a per AR invoice basis. Select the customer from the dropdown. If your customer is not already in, refer to the JobCost.com video tutorial on how to enter a new customer for accounts receivable. Customer PO will autofill in once the job is entered on the detail line or can manually be entered. This is alphanumeric up to 30 characters. Invoice number autofills in with the next available number or can manually be changed. This is alphanumeric up to 10 characters. Invoice date autofills with today's date or can manually be changed along with the counting year month. Due date, discount date, and discount available will auto-calculate based on the customer settings. These can be changed manually if needed. Description line will print under the heading before the body detail lines. Click the button Add Detail Line. Enter the job, phase, and account, or if there is no job, enter the GL account that it goes to. Item, description, quantity, unit of measure, sales price. The amount will calculate, as will the retention if it is on the job record. To add additional line items, click Add Detail Line for each additional line needed. There are additional user fields that include shipping information and user text fields. The system administrator can customize these user field labels to be used to store additional information about the AR invoice. Note and Summary section will both print below the detail lines on the AR invoice. Click Save when done entering new AR invoice. This will generate a teal print and blue email button at the top of the screen. Click either the print or email button, then select the invoice format you wish to use and click print or email. If print was selected, the next screen will display printing options for your invoice. Blue Preview allows you to view your current AR invoice on the screen. Green Email creates an email to the email address or addresses listed on the customer record with the current AR invoice attached. Orange Text saves the current AR invoice as a text file. Yellow CSV saves the current AR invoice as a CSV file. Red PDF saves the current AR invoice as a PDF file. Black Print prints the current AR invoice. If email was selected, the next screen will display the email layout. The Send To field will autofill in with any email address or addresses that are saved on the customer record. Subject line and body can be manually entered or pre-drafted from the configuration option settings. Then click Submit. Then close. Click Save and Add if entering multiple new AR invoices. Click Save and Close if completely done entering or editing an AR invoice, and it will close the current AR invoice tab.